May northeast block ah. Northeast block.
Yo, they have flank on the northeast, ah. They have people in the north, Papa. They have people in the north. Come south, come south.
Dismounted north, plak.
Marami na.
Dismounted
Kami
na halos
side,
sa
kami
atong
side,
brawler
kami
nila
side.
north,
Come northeast. Wait. This is Hymex Joe Bomb Squad, Papa. Come south, come south.
tayo. OBS.
Kami side.
Nagpa-fight sila sa north, si Papa.
Wait. Come south, east, guys. Come south. Def. Guys, find me east side on me. Ready? Northeast on me, guys. Northeast on me in 5, 4, 3, to northeast now.
Bang!
And come southwest.
Ready ka na, Papa?
Def.
Nice. Good.
Heal now. Come southwest.
Banda yung northeast.
Come southwest. Come southwest now. Heal up and come southwest. Heal up and come west. Guys. Come west. Keep going west. West side, guys. West side. No, look at east side. Look at east side. Okay, look at east side. 5, 4, 3, 2, east side now.
Bang!
And spread now. Def now. Heal me. Regear fast. Come northwest now. Regear tayo, pre. Regroup tayo.
Bomb nila lang sa southeast kaya.
Come northwest. Kami ni. Wala na ako DPS. Come northeast.
Oh!
Patay
Sige
na
lang.
sa party mo.
Mount muna kayo.
Sige. Apat na lang tayo dito. Guys, click nyo video revive pag nasa map kayo. Dagdag di lang yan. Corny.
Spread muna kayo, pre. Spread muna kayo.
So magre-gear ha, one shot out sa Licho.
Saan yung regear ko?
Naka dismounted sa gate ha. Sa HO
Nagkakasya.
message.
Lahat yung regear mo.
Ano?
Cops.
Careful na lang kayo, may gankers. Ay, one shot talaga dyan.
Kaya niyo bumalik?
Elder slip
Kaya.
Okay. Sabihin niyo pag pabalik na kayo, ah.
Kaya patayin pa to. Tari na. Laki oh.
Wag muna. Regroup tayo.
Si Silver, 1 bar na lang sa may east side. Kaya kalaban ni Papa.
Hanapan mo ako ng ano dyan. Hanapan mo ako ng spot dyan.
Boyfriend shaper. Game.
Wala, pag nag-shaper ka dyan, po-full brawl ka neto. Nag-GG na.
GG na sila.
GG
Sino nag-GG? Tayo?
Tayo. Si Runo yung nag-GG.